Hey babes, it's your girl Riich Day, and I'm coming back with another video. Before the video starts, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to a friend to help her out, help your sis out, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. All right, cool. So if you see me looking down at any time, y'all, I'm over here looking at my little notepad. We got our wine, okay? So let's have a little quick girl talk, okay? I want to give you guys 5 ways on how to rebuild you. This is like really important to me right now in this time in life, like there's so much going on in the world, and a lot of us maybe, our parents, students, workers, entrepreneurs, whatever field you're in career-wise or just in life, right? This is just a time of a lot of questioning about like who you are and stuff. Sometimes you may feel low, sometimes you may feel down, sometimes you may feel like giving up, right? So I'm going to give you these 5 tips, these 5 ways on how to rebuild you. You can just start putting this into practice and kind of utilizing these tools. You can use one of them, you can use all of them, or you can just take them and create your own. But the goal is to learn how to establish and build a new you, okay? So we're gonna go right ahead into these 5 tips. I'm gonna count down from number 5 and bring it down to 1. You utilize them and take them. All right, ladies? So number 5, okay? Take time to treat you, all right? So this is very important. I feel as you need to learn how to be able to take yourself shopping without feeling bad about it, without feeling guilty about it. Understand that you deserve things as well, and you deserve good things just like how you treat other people good, right? So you want to be able to treat yourself with that kind of care and compassion, and just be able to, spontaneously treat yourself. Make sure you have, if you don't have a full-blown routine, it's not necessary, but hey, think of something randomly like, dang, I haven't gotten a pedicure in a long time. I haven't gotten my nails done in a long time. I think I should be able to go ahead and go out and go to the salon. I feel like I should be able to go get that wax. I feel like I could go get my makeup done. Whatever you feel like is a self-care, something that you will feel good about yourself when you do it, something that will make you feel hype, do that. And when you do that, you will definitely feel 10 times better, and you just break into the habit of doing that for yourself, and you're on your way to rebuilding you, okay? And this you is going to be a totally different version. All you need to do is be able to learn the type of person you want to be and become that, okay? And that's why we're going to number 4, all right? So create and commit to the person you want to become. So this might sound really funny, and like a lot of people will laugh at this, but it's actually the most realist thing ever. Literally, all you have to do is create the type of person you want to be, like down to the nitty-gritty of a personality. And it has to be you. You can't just, just take on this whole new persona. You can, but that's like, whatever floats your boat, okay? Whatever floats your boat. But just advice-wise, be able to create a new version of yourself in your mind and then become that person every day. So your goal is to literally, every time you step in this life, every step that you take in every moment and every second, you are pushing towards becoming that person that you created yourself to be. And literally, you will rebuild yourself without you knowing. I promise you. It's guaranteed. That number 4 is definitely like, like I was saying, number 4 is very important for you to advance quickly, if you really are trying to like, you just have that feeling that you know you want to be someone, but you really don't know. Okay, even though some of the traits and things you may want, you are not able to see how you can obtain that type of personality, that persona, that lifestyle, just know that when you write that down and you see all those crazy ideas, go after them. Whatever it takes to get there, you need to go in those steps, be those footsteps, become that person, be that individual. Number 3, all right? So number 3, I feel like is equally important. Before you can create a new you have to be able to learn yourself from scratch, okay? So you have to be able to dig deep within yourself to understand you. And I'm talking about whatever you don't like, understand that. Whatever you do like, understand that as well. But make sure that the things that you don't like, you start to put up those boundaries and set those boundaries and set those standards so that people can meet you there and you don't have to tolerate anything less than of what you believe yourself to be worth. You know what I'm saying? So the moment you learn yourself from scratch and you really know and educate you on you, who you are at this present day, in this present moment, you'll be able to realize like, dang, I never even liked that. Why did I put up with that? Or I don't even do that type of stuff. Why did I do that? And once you get to that, okay, I'm not putting myself in a predicament like that again where I would have to face this, because I'm going to already have those boundaries up that people will not be able to put me in, because I'm going to stand up for myself. You have to be able to learn yourself and then stand on yourself, right? So once you learn yourself from scratch, your morals, your ethics, your core, and you start to push out your core into the new person you want to become, you are golden, all right? You are literally a golden girl. You are literally a golden guy. Whoever you are watching this video, you are literally going to be golden instantaneously. Like, it's inevitable, okay? So number 2 goes with number 3, and literally number 2, 3, 4, and 5 all go together. Number 2, all right, respect your standards. Now, those standards that you have set in place and set in motion after you've learned yourself from scratch, respect them. Respect them. And I mean, like, be intolerant to anything less of it, okay? Because once you respect those standards, people have to meet you there. They cannot give you anything less than that. And if they do, you respect your standards so much and you respect yourself so much that you're not tolerating that. So like I said, once you have those standards, people have to meet you at your standards. They cannot come and stoop down to a lower level. People will already know. People can smell that on you. People can smell your standards already, and they push them. They try your boundaries. That goes for all round spectrums, whatever predicament that can go into, right? So you want to be able to respect your standards, have those standards, maintain them, and people have to meet you where you are at. And that allows you to rebuild a new you, because now you are being the exact person that you want to be. Please, when you respect your standards, like, you don't have to like yell at nobody like, I like this type of friend and I like this type of person and I'm not going for that shit. No, okay? You don't have to do that, girl. All you have to do is just be like, listen, I'm not comfortable with doing that. That is not in my ethics. I'm going to go ahead and pass. If you cannot respect that, then deuces. And that's it. You and I do not agree on the same thing, and that is okay. I respect your opinion, but I'm going to also respect mine as well and just draw back from this conversation. Like, you have to be able to know you can respect yourself, respect your standards without becoming the beast that you can, right? Because us as women, I feel like we have two sides. We have split personalities. We literally have a loving, nurturing side, and we also have a beast that comes out, whether we are in feeding our children, whether we are hunting, whether we are whatever, but we have a beast that can be unleashed, whether for good or bad, you know? And I love when women drive their beast into all that they stand for. Like, it's just amazingly beautiful. It just gives you that pure energy, you know what I'm saying? So again, number 2 is to respect your standards. All right, so number one is to prioritize you. Okay, so be able to prioritize yourself, be able to put yourself first before anyone. And it may sound selfish, but that's okay. Okay, because people tend to like knock on the word selfish so much, but it's okay to be selfish, but not just full-blown selfish. You have to be able to balance everything. There's always a positive and a negative to everything, literally. Okay, like, once you can find the negative and the positive in anything and then balance them out, you're Gucci to flow through things. You don't have to be attached to either side. You can literally flow through and experience stuff. Okay, so be able to prioritize yourself. Be able to stand for yourself and say, hey, I don't feel like doing anything today, so I'm gonna go ahead and not do anything today. And like, if your homegirl is like, hey girl, I just wanted to go check out Jamal's crib, you know, I feel like he's irks. Listen, girl, not today. I'm not feeling good. It's okay. Like, if your friend has a problem with that, especially if you always ride and you always dying, listen, cut. Because you need healthy relationships, people who understand that you need that time as well, right? So it don't matter what that goes for. That goes for family relationships, friendships, relationships, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't matter, co-workers, managers, whatever. You need to be able to stand up and prioritize yourself. If your body cannot do it, you cannot do it. Like, if you feel like you need rest, you need rest. If you feel like you just want to lay down and drink some wine, then you need to lay down and drink some wine and take back time for you, because you will feel good for that. You are bringing back to yourself. You are reminding yourself that you come first, and that is the main important key in all of this. The main important lesson is to always remember to be able to prioritize yourself. Okay, ladies? So just remember, prioritize yourself. Take that time to self-care. Take that time to go through with your self-care routine. Take that time to treat yourself. Take that time to give back to yourself. Give love to yourself. Show yourself love. If you love to dance, play some music. Start dancing in your house. Look at your But look at yourself while you're dancing and be able to smile, be able to love, be able to appreciate your curves, your body, your skin. Like, give back into you emotionally, spiritually, mentally. That is 5 ways that you can use to start back rebuilding a better you. Okay, so here was the tip that I wanted to give you guys earlier at the end of the video. It's a little gem. One key that is really good to being able to rebuilding a better you, a new you have to leave the past and be able to stay in the present and look forward to the future, because yesterday cannot come back today. Whatever happened yesterday was yesterday's troubles. Today is what you can only focus on. Tomorrow's mysteries have not yet come, but you can wonder about them, okay? But be able to stay today so that tomorrow can be a brighter future. Get out of your past, go forward, walk in your steps. Trust God, walk in your steps. Well, however, it doesn't matter your religion, it doesn't matter what you believe in. As long as you understand that God is first, as long as you understand that it all leads back to God, and as long as you understand that you have to keep moving forward, God is with you. Your steps are already guided. Your steps are already directed. Just keep walking and walk in faith, and you will be exactly who you need to be in no time. Don't rush your process. Enjoy your process. Take heed into the lessons that you learn, because those lessons are literally going to be so much blessings in your future once you really learn and understand, and you face that issue again, or you face that situation again. You're gonna be like, oh man, thank you God that you put me in that situation back then, that I can handle it better this time. Be able to learn from your past to change your future. Be able to learn from your past to guide your future. But do not get stuck there, because it will drown you. It will confide you. It will break you down. You have to move forward, and you have to move forward in hopes. Not even in hope, because hope is not, that's too petty. But you need to have faith. You need to have real strong faith and understanding that God is walking with you and he won't let you down. So just keep going, girl, and you got it. You got it. You got it. Those are your 5 tips and your 1 key gem of the day from your girl, TheRealRiichDae. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at TheRealRiichDae. All right? 2 eyes in your rich. Never forget it. All right? Blessings up to you. I love you, girls. Stay tuned for the next video. All right? Bye-bye.